Hi, Quinn here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little paper airplane. So, now get this airplane out of the way. So, the first thing you need to do is get a piece of paper. It can be colored or not. So, if you want it to be folded if you want a fat paper airplane, then fold it this way. If you want a long paper airplane like that, like this one, then fold it this way. I'm going to fold it this way because I already have a long piece of paper airplane. So, the first thing you have to do is line up the piece of paper with the tip. And then, here's a tip. So, keep your finger in the middle and then roll your finger across to the middle and then just scrape it. Voila! And here's another tip. Keep on doing this for a lot of times and you will get a better flexible. It will stay like this. Look, I made a little computer. It will stay like that for a long time. Well, actually for probably, yeah. Then second thing you have to do is fold it across the middle and have it like this, and then do the same thing with the other side. And then another tip, do scrape it a lot of times again so that it won't pop out like that much. Which one do you think is higher? This one or this one? This one. Because I didn't scrape this one yet a lot of times. Okay. So then what is an airplane without wings? So you fold the airplane wings that are going to be the wings like this and line it up again. Same with the other side. Kinda hard to do it this way. There we go. And then you have your skinny or fat airplane. And if you want to change your airplane to jet, just take the wing, put on its side, and fold a little piece of it like this, and then you have a better flying plane, but it's a jet. Okay. So, I'm gonna have a little contest outside. If the fat plane, the fat jet can fly farther, or going to be long jet plane going to be faster. And another tip, if you tape the planes, it will stay like this, and it will be a little bit better with flying, but a little bit heavier. but still it will be better with flying. So I'm gonna put tape on these guys, and I'm going to be back. Hi, now we're outside, so let's see if the long jet is going to win or the fat jet is going to win. So, my sister Xanthi here is going to throw the fat jet, and I'm going to throw the skinny jet. Okay. You can go first. There are 3 rounds. First round goes to skinny. Second round, I'm gonna go first. Winner goes first. Second round, fat plane. Okay, one of us will win. If fat plane gets it, winner. Skinny plane gets it, winner. Okay, winner goes first. Man, I'm totally gonna win this round. Oh my goodness, wow. Wind helps. Oh, another tip. The wind helps. So, that's it. And don't forget to watch more Quinn and Xanthi videos. Bye! Bye.